Dear students, we were covering the 7th chapter from section C, right? And we were on page 55. We have covered two martyrs, and today we will start with the third one. So let us begin. Havildar Abdul Hamid. Havildar Abdul Hamid was a soldier in the 4th Battalion, the Grenadier of Indian Army. Grenadiers कौन होते हैं? Grenade क्या होता है? तो जो बॉम्ब होता है उसको जो फेंकते हैं, ठीक है, दे तो he died in the Khemkaran sector during the Indo-Pak War of 1965. Underline, he was the posthumous recipient of the Republic of Indian's highest military decoration, the Paramveer Chakra. As we know this by now, that this award, this Paramveer Chakra, is awarded posthumously after the martyrdom. तो उनको भी हवलदार अब्दुल हमीद को भी मार्टिडम के बाद ही मिला था ये. Abdul Hamid was born in a poor Darzi family at Dhamopur village of Ghazipur district of Uttar Pradesh on July 1st, 1933. Abdul Hamid was enrolled into the Grenadiers Infantry Regiment in 1954. Grenadiers Infantry मैंने पिछली क्लास में भी बताया था. तो the army that is on foot, जो चलती है, ठीक है, they walk and then they throw the grenades. तो उसमें वो 1954 में enroll हुए थे. During the Sino-Indian War of 1962, Hamid's battalion was part of 7th Infantry Brigade commanded by Brigadier John Dalby. ये सारी डिटेल्स बेटा अच्छे से पढ़ लेना. I don't think there is anything to explain as such. These are just facts, okay? So reading on, it participated in the Battle of Namkachu against the Brigadier John Dalby. It participated in the Battle of It participated in the Battle of Namkachu against the Chinese. ठीक है, तो ये एक प्लेस थी नमकाचू, तो इस जगह पे बैटल हुई. In 1965, Abdul Hamid was posted in the Khemkaran Bhikiwind sector in Punjab. Successful actions by Indian Armory, artillery and infantry anti-tank actions such as those of Abdul Hamid tarnished the reputation of M48 pattern tanks. So क्या हुआ था वहां पे खेमकरन भिकिविन सेक्टर में? इंडियन आर्मरी क्या होती है? वेपन्स जो होते हैं, ठीक है. आर्टिलरी इज guns, and infantry we know walking soldiers. So they all infantry anti-tank actions. So they all together fought the enemy and they tarnished their reputation. Tarnish क्या होता है? धब्बा लग जाना, blot on their reputation. Okay, at 0800 hours, इसको ऐसे underline कर लो, on 10th of September, Pakistan forces launched an attack with the regiment of pattern tanks on a vital area ahead of village Chima on the Bhikiwind road in Khemkaran sector. So पाकिस्तान की फोर्सेस ने भी अटैक कर दिया अपने पैटर्न टैंक्स के साथ खेमकरन सेक्टर में. Intense artillery shelling preceded the attack. तो इधर से भी intensely गन फायर हुई उनकी तरफ, शेलिंग हुई, बॉम्बिंग हुई. The enemy tanks penetrated the forward position by 0900 hours. So they penetrated forward means ऐसे होता है ना, जब बैटल होती है तो दोनों साइड एक दूसरे की तरफ आती है, और अगर आपको वो खदेड़ के आपको पेनिट्रेट करके आपके एरिया को आगे चले जाते हैं, सो यू आर कंसिडर टू हैव लॉस्ट दैट बैटल, राइट. तो वो दोनों तरफ से they were attacking realizing the grave situation means they were penetrating towards their position. वो उनको खदेड़ रहे थे, पाकिस्तान जो दुश्मन थे हमारी सेना को खदेड़ रहे थे. Realizing the grave situation, company quartermaster Havildar Abdul Hamid, who was commander of the CRCL gun detachment, moved out of the flanking position underline with his gun mounted on a jeep under intense enemy shelling and tank fire. तो जब देखा कि ये सिचुएशन है बहुत ग्रेव हो रही है, ग्रेव मीन्स सीरियस हो रही है. So what did Havildar Hamid do? He um, he had his gun mounted on a jeep. A flanking position क्या होती है बेटा? लेफ्ट राइट साइड सपोजिटली, मतलब लेफ्ट साइड एंड राइट साइड्स होती हैं बैटल में. ठीक है, तो वो क्या कर रहे थे, उनके पास जीप थी जिसके ऊपर गन लगी हुई थी, तो वो उस जीप को लेके इंटेंस एनिमी एरिया में चले गए, जहाँ पे मतलब अपनी सेना से बहुत आगे बढ़ गए एनिमी एरिया में. एंड टेकिंग an advantageous position, he knocked out the leading enemy tank. So he um, taking the lead. Advantageous position means obviously he took a lead. आगे जाके उन्होंने बहुत सारे, knockout means killed many enemies, and he also destroyed many tanks. And swiftly means fastly changing his position, he sent another tank up in flame. तो टैंक्स को डिस्ट्रॉय करना मतलब ऑब्वियसली उतना ही कम नुकसान अपनी खुद की आर्मी को होगा, हमारी साइड को होगा. सो ही did that. By this time, the enemy tanks in the area spotted him. Obviously, he was in that intense enemy area. तो जब तक उन्होंने ये किया, उन टैंक्स को डिस्ट्रॉय किया, दुश्मनों ने उनको स्पॉट कर लिया and brought his jeep under concentrated machine gun and high explosive fire. तो उनको उस साइड पे ले आए जहाँ पे बहुत सारी explosive fire थी. Undeterred, Havildar Hamid kept on firing on yet another enemy tank with his recoilless gun. While doing so, he was mortally wounded by an enemy high explosive shell. So वो बहुत ज्यादा इंटेंस फायर वाली साइड पे चले गए थे. ठीक है, उनको दे बेसिकली पुश्ड हिम टुवर्ड्स दैट एरिया, उस साइड पे उनको भेज दिया. बट स्टिल ही केप्ट ऑन फायरिंग. उन्होंने फायरिंग जो है उसको छोड़ा नहीं, उसको बंद नहीं किया. एंड ही केप्ट ऑन फायरिंग अनदर टैंक विद हिज गन. एंड ऐसा करते हुए ही वाज मॉर्टली क्या होता है बेसिकली, लाइक ही वो इट वाज सो फेटल, उनको बहुत ज्यादा चोट लग गई थी. फेटल क्या होता है, व्हेन यू लाइक यू विल डाई, यू कांट एस्केप दोस वुंड्स. So he was badly wounded because of those explosions. And Havildar Abdul Hamid's brave action inspired his comrades to put up a gallant fight. तो दूसरों को भी देख के अब्दुल हामिद को ये इंस्पिरेशन मिली. इस गैलेंट क्या होता है, ब्रेव फाइट को देख के उनको भी ये इंस्पिरेशन मिली to fight the enemy with bravery and to beat back the heavy tank assault by the enemy. And his complete disregard for his personal safety. Obviously, disregard क्या होता है, not care about something, right? So he completely um, he just didn't care about himself, right? And he sustained acts of bravery in the face of constant enemy fire. बहुत ज्यादा वहाँ पे फायर थी. ठीक है, and he did not care about all of that, and he very bravely went into the enemy area and he gave our side a lead, which was very important. And all these are a shining example not only to his unit, not only to his unit, but also to the whole division, and were in the highest traditions in the Indian army. In the highest tradition means people talk about him, they discuss his gallantry, his bravery, right? So we move on.